In the meantime, the Contractor General says allegations regarding road works being carried out in the constituency of St. Andrew Northwestern with less than 2 weeks to go before the by-election have caught his attention. On Tuesday, Minority Leader in the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, Andrew Swaby, issued a statement calling for the Contractor General and the Political Ombudsman to investigate the use of $21 million from the Equalization Fund to repair 3 roads in the constituency where a by-election will be held on March 5. He expressed concern that this was another attempt by the government to use public resources to influence the outcome of the election and pointed to a previous allocation of $91 million to repair roads in St. Andrew Northwestern. The Contractor General outlined how his office will proceed.
We have received through the media complaints that the work is being done and that there may be some connection between the impending election and the work that is being done. So that is something that we are looking into in respect of finding out, in fact, first who is doing the work, and that's our starting point, our terms of reference. So it's something that we are interested in and we will be reporting on in short order.